Looking to enhance your WordPress site with crisp, versatile icons? In this video, we are diving into the icon block from Nextblocks, perfect for adding visual flair with ease. Whether you are choosing from font custom icon, dash icons, or adding custom SVGs, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nextblocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the icon block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for Icon. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of icon block from Nextblocks. In the Content tab, you can add an icon or you can add a custom SVG. For icon, you can add font custom icon or dash icons. From custom SVG, you can add your custom SVG as we've done over here. From the alignment, you can align the icon. From view, you can change the style of your icon. You can use default or you can use frame that will add a border to the icon, or you can use stacked that will add a background. From the link, you can add a link to the icon. From size, you can adjust the size of the icon. From rotate, you can rotate the icon. For framed option, you will find this padding. You can adjust the padding. You can adjust the border radius. For stack, you will find padding and border radius. Then you can adjust the primary color and secondary color of the icon for normal and overstates. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the icon block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.